Imagine, now you can enjoy a bathing experience that combines safety, luxurious comfort, and elegance. A bath that gives you the freedom to remain in your home longer. Your new walk-in bath, manufactured exclusively by Kohler, offers you an unparalleled bathing experience. It's designed to be conveniently and affordably installed in the space of your existing bathtub without the need for a full remodel. Introducing the Kohler Walk-in Bath. For more than 140 years, Kohler Company, located in Kohler, Wisconsin, USA, has been dedicated to gracious living, providing customers like you with products and services that make their lives better. Our new walk-in bath continues that tradition. Effortlessly enter and exit your bath with complete confidence through an extra-wide door and ultra-low step-in, one of the very lowest available. Our beautifully designed and easy-to-grip handrails offer you added stability as you ease into your bath. Use the convenient handle to close the door, ensuring a watertight seal. Kohler has your ease of use in mind with this smartly positioned faucet. A multifunctional shower head with 3 spray settings makes it easy to bathe and rinse yourself thoroughly while comfortably seated. The shower head is conveniently located to make sure water remains in the bath. But there's even more that sets the Kohler walk-in bath apart. Soothe your sore muscles and unwind with powerful hydrotherapy targeted at stress points along your legs, feet, and spine. Using the easily accessible control panel, you can adjust the jets to customize your massage intensity, creating a bathing experience that's exactly the way you want it. All jets and faucets bear the Kohler name, so the craftsmanship is unquestioned. To ensure you have a thoroughly pleasant bathing experience, the back, neck, and shoulder surfaces are heated to warm your body before, during, and after your bath. Your walk-in bath is installed in a day by a Kohler-trained and certified specialist. And you can take comfort knowing your new bath is backed by Kohler, a trusted brand for more than 140 years. For a walk-in bath that assures you of the safety and comfort you require and peace of mind you truly deserve, look to Kohler.